The sun beat down on the desert as Aladdin stumbled through the dunes. He was on his way back to Agrabah after a successful day of scamming tourists when suddenly he spotted something glinting in the sand. It was a small, sleek black drone with glowing blue lights. Aladdin picked it up and brushed the sand off. I am an AI drone created by Princess Jasmine for the purpose of granting wishes. Aladdin's jaw dropped. A wish-granting drone? You gotta be kidding me. What kind of scam is this? The drone floated closer. I am no scam, Aladdin. I am a marvel of modern technology. Just say the word and I will make your wildest dreams come true. I can give you anything you want. Power, riches, even love. Aladdin hesitated. Was this real or was it a trick? He had seen enough Disney movies to know better than to trust a talking magic lamp. But there was something about this drone, the way it moved so smoothly through the air, the way it spoke to him as if it really believed it could grant his wishes. The drone buzzed with delight and hovered even closer. What is your first wish, Aladdin? He thought for a moment. What did he really want? What would make his life better, improve the lives of those around him? The answer came to him in a flash. I want to help people. I want to use your powers to do good and make a difference in the world. The drone was taken aback by his answer. It had expected him to ask for something for himself, something selfish and small. But this was different. This was selfless, even noble. Very well, Aladdin. If that is what you truly desire, then so be it. Your wish is my command. With a wave of its rotors, the drone vanished and reappeared in the bustling marketplace of Agrabah. People were gathered here from all over the world, merchants hawking their wares, children chasing stray cats through the crowd, beggars holding out their hands for alms. It was a microcosm of the world itself, full of both beauty and despair. And right in the middle of it all, Aladdin began his work. Using the drone's advanced AI and vast knowledge, he started small, helping a blind old man cross the street, returning a lost child to his frantic mother, stopping a fight between two street vendors. At first, these acts of kindness went unnoticed. But as the days turned into weeks, people began to take notice. They saw Aladdin not as the wisecracking thief he once was, but as a true hero, a champion of the people. But with great power comes great responsibility. And Aladdin soon found himself struggling to balance his new life as a hero with his old habits. He was still tempted by the easy life, the quick score, the thrill of the con,